Hello everybody, this is Henry Diaz with a quick review for the Logitech K350 Wave Ergonomic keyboard. The reason they give this a curvy design is to be more adapted to the human body. That way it's more ergonomic to take care of the body posture when working in these keyboards. This one has easy and comfort cushioning for the palm. So you don't need extra cushioning to support your waist. It is you can rest your hands really comfortable when typing. Also, it has a built-in shortcuts key. Like when you press sounds, it raises the sound in your computer, as you can see down here. If you're playing some music, even it has a shortcut for the calculator. Open the calculator, you can type really fast. Music over there can play. So it has a pretty nice shortcuts. Also, it has the Unifying device that you can connect different Logitech. Let me show you. So this tiny Unifying receiver, it combines different Logitech devices. You don't need multiple of these receivers to work, to make different devices to work. So this one has a longer battery life, and it uses two AA batteries. And I don't need to be turn it on or off like every time that I stop using it, because in reality it goes in standby. And this key leg over there, it helps with the tilt to keep it diagonal for your arm. Really nice design. Thank you for watching.